welcome to Fabric by Singhania. If you are still looking for an inspiration this May season for all your summer outfits, we've got you covered. So here we have our first option. This is a dyeable tussar fabric. All over it you can see this nice Parsi work embroidery which looks very beautiful and elegant. You can see the colors that have been used. They are in nice shades of reds, yellows and oranges which gives a really vibrant shade to the entire fabric. Now to create any kind of blouses or any sarees as well with these kind of fabrics would look perfect, and you can customize it in whatever color you like. Now our second fabric here has been finely embroidered on this cream color tussar fabric. All of these fabrics are great dyeable options. You can see this nice silk embroidery thread work that has been done in nice Parsi work. So all over it you can see these beautiful floral work and birds that makes it look very beautiful and elegant. So if you want to make any kind of suit sets or you want to create any dupattas as well with these fabrics, they would look just perfect. You can see the pastel work which has been done in nice pink shades which gives a really feminine touch to the fabric. Now this fabric that you see here would be perfect for any women's wear outfits. Any kind of traditional looks you want to go for, or if you want to create anything for your workwear as well, this fabric would look perfect because you can customize this into a suit, a kurta or any kind of dupatta too. You can see the floral embroidery work that has been done on it. Nice peach shades, yellow shades have been used on this off-white base fabric. This also is a great dyeable option, and all of the embroidery work that you see on it has been done in a very minimal way, so you can customize this into anything. Now here we have a nice fabric which could be perfect for a menswear kurta as well. As you can see the Parsi embroidery done on this tussar fabric, it's in nice shades of maroon and red which gives a really regal touch to the entire tussar fabric as well. You can see the floral work, you can see all of these birds as well. The floral work has been done in a nice beige color, so it gives a really elegant look to the fabric. So to create any kind of menswear kurta, or if you want to create any kurtis as well, this fabric would look perfect and you can dye it in your favorite color. Now the shade that you saw earlier, it is another shade in that color itself. As you can see this tussar fabric, on this we've done the same kind of floral embroidery, but it has been done as nice blush pink colors. So it gives a really beautiful touch and it's very feminine. So to create any kind of suit, dupatta or blouse pieces as well, this fabric would look really good on you. And you can create any kind of dyeable options through this tussar fabric as well. Now we've got the perfect haldi ceremony kind of fabric. This inspo would be perfect because all of the shades that you see on this Parsi embroidery is done in nice yellow shades. So for any haldi or puja functions, this fabric would look perfect. And all of the embroidery that has been done is in nice silk threads. So it gives a really good and regal touch too. So to create any menswear kurta, you want to create couple outfits as well, this fabric would be perfect because you can dye it in the color you wish. As you must know, everybody loves pastel colors. This embroidery work has been done in nice pastel shades. You can see the greens, blues, it gives a nice cool tone to the entire tussar fabric, the purples as well. So all of these colors give a nice earthy and natural look which is perfect to create any pastel shade outfits that you have in mind. Any lehengas you want to create for kids wear as well, this fabric would look amazing on you. Now our next fabric that you see here are in nice colorful shades. As you can see, we've used shades like peach, orange and red along with a nice blue shade, giving a nice contrast to the entire Parsi work embroidery on this tussar fabric. You can create any kind of complementary dyeable options on this tussar fabric and make your own kurtis, or you want to create any suit or anarkali, this tussar fabric would be perfect in the summer. Now our final summer wedding inspo that you have here in front of you is another dyeable tussar fabric that could be your inspiration to create anything for wedding. Now all of the Parsi work done on it is in a nice contrast of peach shades and blue shades, which is perfect because you can create any kind of menswear outfit and women's wear outfit with these kind of fabrics. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, comment down and subscribe to our channel Fabric by Singhania. If you want to know more about our products, you can visit us online at Fabric by Singhanias, or you can come into our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1.